Hey friends, welcome back to another video in IMAT series. Today in this video, I will be sharing one of the best notes for your IMAT exam preparation, and there are going to be two versions of these notes. One, you can have them for absolutely free. Exactly both will be similar. One will have best quality, one will have little bit like minimal quality. You can have them for free. Download those PDFs and you can use them for free. But the best thing is how to use those notes. This is very important. So I will take you a few minutes and I will explain you how you can use these notes. Then your IMAT exam will be saved. But before that, if you are basically, I hope you know, if you want to study medicine and surgery from Italy in English language, then you need to attempt IMAT exam. And for that, on this channel, I have shared a couple of resources like books, syllabus, and how to study for each section comprehensive guide. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it to completely understand how to prepare biology, chemistry, physics, maths, logical reasoning, and of course, general knowledge as well. But the most important thing is every single aspect of your exam is in those videos. So there will be playlist down below. You can watch that. Okay, so let's begin this video. In the first part, I will be telling you how to use these notes, how these notes are constructed, and the second part, I will explain you how you can download them and how you can use them. But the first part is very important, so try to give me your ear. And just because these notes can give you 70 plus scores in your IMAT exam and you can get into your dream medical school in Italy. But for that you have to be a little bit attentive. The first thing, let me tell you, as IMAT is really conceptual. It has been said and it really is. So if you explore past papers which are freely available on the IMAT Nerd website, go and download them for free. All the PDFs are there with their keys, so you can practice and you can see what IMAT really is. But the best part is, once you explore the IMAT exam, you will see the questions will be easier sometimes, but you won't know the answer because you don't have the grip on the topic. Let's say if there's question from maybe reproductive system. In reproductive system, we have oogenesis and spermatogenesis, which is very important topics basically. So if there's a question like, let's say I will make it easier. If we have sperms and question states like this, if we have 5 gram of DNA in one spermatogonia, how much will be quantity in each sperm? So this is very important because spermatogonia is diploid and sperm is haploid, and as there is 5 grams, so DNA will be halved. It will be 2.5 gram in each sperm. So this is how these questions are asked, and they can ask you like this: how much DNA quantity will be in primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte. They can even ask you for oogenesis. So this is how you might look at the question and you don't know the answer because you don't have good concepts. Concepts always mean deep understanding. So I have constructed these notes by analyzing all the IMAT past papers. I got multiple IMAT past paper questions in there as well. And the very important thing is I got the tricky and conceptual points in these notes. Those points that can give you the whole summary of a topic. If you remember those points, you won't miss any questions in your exam. You will solve all of them. Good notes always look like this. There should not be big lines or statements. There should be words, and those words should be illustrating the whole image of your topic. So if you look at those words, whole topic is going to be revised in your head. This is how the good notes really look like, and I have done the same thing in these notes. If you look at there will be words, and those words, if you remember those, you will remember every single thing about that topic. And now the very important thing is, on the right side of every page, I have got the past paper questions. This is very important. This has been asked this year of IMAT exam, and important thing, this has been asked multiple times. So I have got star on it or maybe hash on it. So this way I have made these notes like very hygiene notes. You just divide these notes like 2 times, you are like good with your exam. And I hope you got it. But anyways, these notes have got the formulas, these notes have got the derivations of different statements, questions, problems, I like in chemistry and physics. But anyways, Now let's move on to each section and let me show you how these notes are built. So let's start with biology. Why not? Because it's the most weighted subject of your IMAT exam. In biology, it is all about visualizing the complex systems. If you look at the human reproductive system or the ovarian cycle, you don't need to read paragraphs of the text. I have drawn out the exact flow charts for spermatogenesis and oogenesis in these nodes. I have highlighted exactly where the cells are haploid versus diploid because it has been asked in past papers a lot. And everything you need to know about the hormones, as we have got the separate chapter in biology about endocrine system. In there, we talked about LH surge or FSH. This is very important. Menstrual cycle is very, very important. If you look at the past papers, there are multiple questions from these hormones, and you need to remember one graph for it. You can remember this, like on 14th day, what will be happening, on 15th day, what is happening, stages of each cycle, basically. So this is very important, and the hormones are very important, and we will be having different structures forming when estrogen is releasing, what is the function of estrogen, and when progesterone is releasing, if progesterone is not releasing, what is happening. And these are very, very tricky and like important points that you need to remember. Of course, you know that you have studied in high school as well, but these are the points that I have clearly mentioned in just one flow chart. So this is how these notes are really, really efficient. Now, if you move on to chemistry, in chemistry, I have got shortcuts. If you look at the stoichiometry section, some students say stoichiometry or stoichiometry, whatever you say, but I call it as stoichiometry. You will see I don't just give you the long traditional formulas because IMAT doesn't give you enough time to calculate those. Instead, I have illustrated the exact mental math shortcuts and mole to mass conversions you need. I've also included side-by-side comparisons of tables for different atomic, molecular, and metallic bonds so you can remember them, because their properties are very important, and you can easily remember those by using those tables. And then there are images, then there are shortcuts. Shortcuts are very, very important in calculations. Remember, if physics, chemistry, maths, or of course in critical thinking as well, calculations you can only do by mental math, so you need to master that. And in my notes, I never use calculator. I've got the different point values, and always remember I have got certain rules for the values, that this number will get half or double. So this way I have illustrated in these notes. This is how these are gonna give you really, really good like vibe while like you are going through the notes. You will easily remember those. Now for physics section, it's all about application, as there are formulas and problems, so you need to like solve them. I've clearly hand lettered and derived the core equations for kinematics, fluid mechanics, and thermodynamics. Like it will feel like you are not just memorizing a letter, you are seeing exactly how the formula is built, how the derivation is going on, and you can easily practice it out. Because with every single topic I have got 3 to 4 real-time examples and past paper questions that I'm solving in front of it, so you can get the core concept and core idea. Because physics, always students like fear from physics and maths because there are calculations, and they fear from the numbers because calculator is not allowed. So I have made this really, really easier. So this is how these notes are there. And then there are critical thinking, then there are for general knowledge. For all the sections, notes are there. Now here comes how you can access them, but before that let me tell you the bonus thing for these notes. I have converted exact these notes into big beast lectures for you. These lectures are really, really concise lectures. Of course, these are lengthy, so you can get the core concept and core idea. Those lectures have got the full taste from best books that I have shared. Pearson, A-level books and IB diploma books. After going through all the books, getting the summary out of those, these lectures are designed so you can have the best like experience. You can easily use those lectures and then read out these notes. You are good with your IMAT exam. You won't even need anything. I don't think you will need anything at all, because you watch lectures and you read notes, you revise 2 3 times, you will be easily getting the maximum scores in your exam. So how it's like simple it is. But anyways, now how you can access these notes. I have got the, you can create your free account on imatnerd.com. just go to the description below and there will be free PDFs available for you for the illustrated versions, like modified one. But the other previous version of these notes, except these notes, nothing changed, but those are like handwritten, so it will be difficult to interpret. But like if you wanna level up, you can of course go for crash course. Every single thing is in there with lectures, notes are there, and you can easily like read those. Just like go with the lecture, watch the lecture, read the reading resource, and then the notes will appear in the end. You can go through the notes and then attempt the quiz. You have mastered that topic and chapter. Now just go to your exam. That's all you need. This is how simple it is. Now just go to the IMAT nerd through the below link and you will have the notes, some samples there, and the other previous versions. You can absolutely download those. There will be like pictures attached. You can always log in back and read through there, because those will be forever available for you. I hope you got value out of this video. If you have any question, feel free to ping us on Instagram. And remember this, if you want to get the crash course, if you have any queries, feel free to text us on WhatsApp. The number is showing on the screen. And yeah, that's all. And don't forget to follow on Instagram, because we will be posting different questions there, so you can have the best experience, best preparation for your exam. And now what the crash course has got for you, check out this video. It will explain you every single thing for how crash course is built and what you will be getting in there. And check out this playlist for how to prepare for each section of your IMAT exam. Every single thing is freely shared for you. So yeah, have fun. See you in next video. Till bye bye.